Okay, so I'll show you the process now. I've got to clean it. I've got some steel wool here, and then I will cut it to maybe 2 or 3 foot length, and then I have to split it before I run it through the machine. So here we go. First step is hose it down. Okay, sugar cane is very easy to grow here in Florida. You see this piece here, I've got little roots coming off this end here. So I'm going to cut this about here, or maybe a little higher up here, and plant this, and I've got more sugar cane. So I'm going to do this a lot more. I need a lot more sugar cane in the yard. Okay, that piece there, I'm going to plant it. See, I take those off. Okay, so I've got them all cleaned up. They've even dried. So now I'm going to cut them in little 2.5, 3 foot pieces that make it easy to get through the machine. This thing is awesome. It's a little chainsaw. My wife picked this up for $11 on Temu. It's an awesome tool. So here, got a sharper knife, wearing my gloves, because one time I was doing this and man, I got whacked, and I still feel it on my index finger. So I just get it going slightly. Yeah. So now I'm going to apply pressure. There we go. We're starting to see, this is about what I need to go through. You see the split here. The hard part is making the split down the middle. So you gotta, oh, this will be awesome. So I gotta do that to all the pieces and then run it through the juicer. There we go, getting some juice. one piece, I get all that juice. If you drank all of that, you would get so much energy, it's incredible. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I ended up getting another one of these jars full. I got a half a jar here, and that pitcher was full. So this stuff lasts in the fridge for, I don't know how long. I know at least 3 or 4 days, minimum. Probably longer, as long as you keep it refrigerated. So I'm very happy with the harvest today. And remember, don't be afraid of sugar unless you're on a high-fat diet. Go low-fat, 5% or lower, and you'll be able to get fueled much easier. The sugar will get to the cells, and this helps. Sugarcane, even table sugar, will help you start to get hydrated, which is one of the keys. We have to have good hydration. So, all the best. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. Adios, amigos, and fruit up. Remember, fruit is #1, more so than white table sugar. So, eat your fruits.